Hi guys, let us now solve the first bit of first problem in exercise 3.2, and they have given two equations and asking us to calculate or solve using substitution method. So first let us take the given information, and we are assuming that this first one is x plus y is equals to 14. We are assuming it as first equation, and x minus y is equals to 4. We are assuming it as second equation. Now, from equation 1, when you transpose this x towards right, then you can write y is equals to 14 minus x. Let us substitute this y is equal to 14 minus x in equation 2. So, in place of y, what we have to write? We have to write 14 minus x. So, when we write, we will get like this. So, in place of y, we have written 14 minus x. Then minus of plus 14 will give you minus 14. Minus into minus plus x you can write. Then x plus x, 2x minus 14 is equals to 4. If you take minus 14 right side, it will become plus 14. Then 2x is equals to 18, and finally you will get x is equals to 9. Okay, till now we have found x is equals to 9 we got, and now if you substitute this x is equals to 9 in equation 2, then we will get 9 minus y is equals to 4. Okay, so what is this 9? In equation 2, in place of x we have substituted 9. Right now minus y is equals to 4 minus 9. Why? Because we have transposed this 9 towards right side. So after simplification, 4 minus 9 you will get minus y, and y is equals to 5. So finally we also got y value. Hence x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 5 is the solution for the given pair of equations. Hope you got good clarity on the solution which we have discussed. If yes, what are you waiting for? Please share with your friends.